Hi everyone. Today we're going to show you how to set up Autopay for your Pioneer account on SmartHub using your computer or laptop. Let's get started. First, visit our website at gopioneer.com and on the homepage, click the Account menu in the top right-hand corner. Then, select the Go Pioneer SmartHub option. Here you're going to sign into your account using your email address and password you set up during registration. On the SmartHub home screen, click on Billing and Payments in the top menu. Then select the Autopay program option. Next, select Sign up for Autopay. Then follow the prompts on screen to connect your credit card or bank account. If you need more help or have any questions, visit us at gopioneer.com/support.